What's up, Chappy fam? It's Jen with ChappyPlans. Thanks for joining me for another Plan With Me video. Today, I'm planning in my vertical catch-all layout. These inserts are from Casey of Pleasantly Planned, and I am not in the right week. I am planning for November 21st through the 27th. So if you'd like to see what I'm gonna do, stick around. Hi friends, I'm glad I caught that. I'm Jen, ChappyPlans. Thanks for being here today. I went ahead and predated the rest of the month and I left it on the last week, hence why it was flipped to November to December. Don't freak out, we're not there yet. We are just planning for November 21st through the 27th, so Thanksgiving week. As I said, these inserts are from Casey's shop. You can use my link below if you want to check them out. She has lots of inserts available, including daily inserts, lots of like lifestyle inserts, things like that. And you can use Chappy Fam and you'll save 15% on your order of $25 or more. So today I'm going to be using some stickers from According to Allie, and they're from last year's winter release. I do not think she re-released them, and I'm not 100% sure if they're in her shop at the time of filming, but if they are, I will link them below. I have winter birds, and I still have a couple left over from last year. And then I have winter leaves. These are like lined florals on clear paper, and they are absolutely stunning. I didn't even use these last year, and it has already snowed, so I am going to pull these out. And I also have this really neutral, fun paper from a big paper pad that I got at Michael's. It's sort of this khaki, grayish, beige-ish color with lots of snowflakes and stars. So I'm gonna use this as sort of my clusters. And then I have Mojo Jojo Plans black boxes, my boxes, although pull neutral and just see what we think about that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the black because these browns are not the right tone. Okay, so black boxes, can't go wrong. I could use red, white, and blue, but I think I'm going to try to keep this pretty neutral, minus the birds being the pops of color. And yes, we're planning for this November week, which is crazy. Norah, you know, it's a short school week for a lot of folks. She has a half day on Wednesday, and then she's off Thursday, Friday. So nice long weekend, which means Monday is going to be really busy. My in-laws are leaving, and I have to go into the office. I have a couple of important meetings that sometimes I can like manage to work from home, but a lot of the time it just doesn't work because I have too much going on. All right, let's see. Especially since I'm only in the office like one day a week, you know, I don't want to be. All right, I'm gonna have it come across the bottom here. Now, which way do we get the white? This way. All right, so when you're ripping paper, if you're like me and you like the white substrate layer showing through, then you want to make sure you're ripping it the right way. Do a little test if you want. And then I'm going to need a part up here. So we want to go, like this. But I want it to come this way. Okay. Now that they're they're at least the right sort of shape, I can start to kind of get them in the shape that I want. Okay, that's gonna be good there. This is gonna be a quick little plan with me. So yeah, so I'm back from California. If you watched my social media Plan With Me video yesterday, then you know it was nothing short of a nightmare, and I am really, really glad to be home, back in my craft room, planning, back with my family where I feel safe. And yeah, I am just really thankful to be back. I missed my paper. I missed my stamps. I missed my stickers, you know. All right. There we go. And this is not my favorite tape, by the way. It's not terrible, but I do have several refills of the inserts, so I want to use them up, so I'm using it. Okay. So now I can put this big long box here on Monday. Oh, I wanted it right here. What am I talking about? Crazy girl. Oh, and I forgot to pull washi too. What the heck, Jen? See, my head is not in the game. It wants to be. But who forgets to pull washi for a spread using paper? I'm totally judging myself. Who does that? Ew. All right, let me grab some washi. Give me a sec. I'm gonna bring these with me. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I pulled several different things. So I have this blue washi from Paper Minty Studio, which is like more of a muted navy. Then this black and white one, this red one, and then this gray one. So I think these two might be the winner. I like to layer washi with paper. So I like to have at least 2 colors. Sometimes I get crazy and I add a third. What? I know. I'm actually gonna have this come a little bit further over. And it's hard to tell if it's straight because it's just the cardstock pattern underneath. All right. I can't tell if that was cut or ripped, and I kind of want it to look distressed, so that's better. And then I want to see if I like the way this one looks layered or not. I debated plain white polka dots. Yeah, that's a little bit too crazy. Hold on a sec. Let me grab plain white. All right, so I have this one, which I think is a little bit less crazy, maybe. Now I just need to see if I want it to be like the polka dots underneath and then the red on top. I really like the red, but it might be a little bit too much. Whoops. Oh dear, Jen, make up your mind. I know. I thought this was gonna be a quick plan with me, but those are always famous last words, you know? All right, so there's that. Now let's see, if I bring in the red, is it too much? I don't know, we're gonna see. We'll find out. All right, I need Grandpa Bird, and I need to put November up here. I thought about using a sticker, but then I got too lazy to go look for the right sticker. So I'm gonna try my best to letter it in. It's not perfect, that's for sure, but that's okay. I need quotes too. Look at me, I'm so unprepared. Oh, we gotta do the thankful. Hold on, let's see. I know Allie just released a gratitude sheet. Yep, that's what we want. So let's do a thankful heart as a magnet for miracles. That'll fit perfectly. And I love that Allie does like different types of quotes. I hope that makes sense. Like different sizes. So they could fit in a vertical box or they could be used in a long, you know, long, whatever, horizontal. What are words? I don't know what words are. Okay. So I have 2 meetings Monday. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think so, just dance class, which I can definitely use a color dot for that. And that's in the afternoon. I'll just to write it in. I don't usually, but why not? Okay. And then Tuesday is filming day. And I'm trying to decide, like, I could use a box, but I also like a long box. I'm trying to decide what size that I want to use. I think first I need to put like a bird. So let's put this. We call these my grandpa bird or my daddy bird because they remind me of, you know, like when a loved one passes away. And my dad passed away a few years ago. And so whenever we see these, Nora and I will go, look, there's grandpa bird. So this little chickadee is super cute. I'll put it right here, maybe. Cover up the place where I jacked up the paper when I pulled up the washi. Okay, so that's at least one sheet that I use. I have one full sheet left. I don't know, maybe I'll save the Blue Jays. Probably not though, because I really like them. Okay, so now I feel like I can put a box there for filming, but I don't need a big long one. I can just do like a double or a square. Let's see, like this. And then I need one to remind me to pick up Nora early because she's out at like 10:20 or something crazy. I know. I think I'm gonna put it just up here with a dot. Okay. And then this ends up being exercise. I could put that here. I'll just put health because I've been using my weekly to track my exercise and calories out. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and sometimes I'll do something Saturday, but probably not. And so there's Thursday for Thanksgiving. We are going to my church. It's basically just not because it's like a church thing, but just because that's the venue where that's big enough to hold all the people that are going to join for Thanksgiving dinner, and that's at 1. Let's do the same thing with the washi up here that I did down there. But actually, if it's the same, then it's going to come much lower. And then this washi, the red one, is from Studio Calico, and the polka dot washi is from either Amazon or Michael's. I want to say Michael's though, but you know, I could be wrong. I forgot about these. Derp. Okay. I think this is mistletoe. I mean, it's fine, right? Like we're putting up our tree Friday, so. I know some of my friends are either in other time, like climates and or parts of the world where it's definitely not winter weather or the winter season, but hopefully you'll bear with me for this though. Okay, so then I feel like this one should go here. It just makes sense, right, to layer it this way? Right, Jen, right. Okay. And then this little pine cone can go next to the chickadee. And I don't, the only problem is this blue jay is like pretty big. And I feel like if they're right under each other, that looks too much. I mean, I could put him here, maybe, but I don't know. Like I said, I might leave the blue out. I think I'm going to. Part of me is just here for the red. I don't know why. I wasn't intending to do that, but surprise, surprise. I know these will match a lot of other stickers I have from Allie too, though. Okay. So then it only makes sense to repeat the same idea over here. We'll do it like this because Friday we have our Christmas photos. That's at like 11:30. And then we traditionally put our tree up. Take a nap and then we'll put up our tree. Sunday we have like our alternative Feast and Friends, which is my church's like potluck, but instead of a potluck, since it's the end of Thanksgiving, we're doing pizza and watching the star, which will be really fun. We are still having regular service, but then after we're gonna watch a movie and have pizza. Oh, I don't like it lined up perfectly to the edge though. Should I have it way down here? I guess so. But then this kind of bothers me, so I don't really know what to do about it. Help, what do I do? Maybe these need to just be layered and I'll feel better about that. I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's a little bit better. I'm bleeding. Just kidding. It's the ink. Don't pass out, please. Is that straight? Bless. Okay, you're just gonna stay there because I can't. Alrighty. Norah does not have gymnastics Saturday because of the Thanksgiving recess. I think I am gonna do just a little bit of washi on the bottoms of these boxes. Okay. That's cute. I like it. And now see, like I have all this section here, which tells me I need to do another cluster, you know? So let's see. Let's just rip off a chunk, shall we? And then we'll do it like this. It's a little too perfect looking. It's funny. I want it to look distressed, but I also don't want it to look like intentionally distressed. It's like trying to do the messy bun with your hair. Like, I cannot do a messy bun. I look like a ridiculous, I don't even know. But it's not cute. That's all I can say. I'm bringing it all the way down because it's all the way down over here. And then I don't know if I need washi though. I might just try it without. Let's see. The holly berry. And that can go here. And do let's see. So this cardinal, actually, maybe, oh no, I ripped it. Meh. You know how I like to have my birds talk, like my animals, when I use animals on a spread? What? Just bear with me. Just hold on. You'll see what I'm talking about. Like I did this in my woodland spread. Okay. All right, so this one maybe wants to be here, like they're best friends, or maybe it's like up here. But either way, they're best friends. Just so you know, in case you were wondering about the birds' relationship, there you go. You're welcome. Do you want to live here? Or up here? Up here? Maybe I need to do a quote. Look at, I'm Jen Sticker Hands, Edward Sticker Hands. All right, I'm gonna do be thankful always, because that's like perfect for Thanksgiving. And I think it's gonna come here. Yay, pretty. Okay, so now I have this here. Should I do one more? I think well, gratitude turns what we have into enough. I like that. It's not the sticker sheet, it's me that can't lift it up. Yeah, I think this will look cute here. Okay. Yep. And now, let's see. Or do you guys want to sit here and be friends? Oh my gosh, yes, they do. They told me. What? Yep. Look, they're talking. They're best friends. All right. But that still doesn't help me with my situation. Because I still have this cardinal. I guess you could go here. Yeah. And then the pine cone. What else do we have? We got lots of stuff here. Here's some more holly. Or not holly, mistletoe. Mistletoe, mistletoe. I think what I'm gonna do is something that's not like me. I'm gonna put a little bit. Ooh, no. I was gonna put some down here, but then it would be right across, and I don't like that. I do kind of want to put a little bit here though. Okay. Still left with the dilemma. What to do with this? I mean, I guess it could be sort of coming out from the bird. Doesn't make any sense, but that's fine. It's fine. All right, almost done. You're like, thank God, between the talking birds and the randomness, we don't know what to do with you, Jen. And that's valid. Okay, whoops. I'll go here. And this other one, I feel like should go over here somewhere. Up here, down here, right here. Okay, fine. I'll put it here. Thanks for helping. You guys are the best. Okay. Now what? Okay. This one's gonna go here. And then I have one more. Oh no, there's still another little Finchy I forgot about. I think that's what this is. Is this a finch? Is there a bird whisperer here? Does anybody know? Here. His little round belly. So cute. All right. I just decided to put it down because I knew you guys were like falling asleep, and I don't blame you. Okay, friends, that is my spread. I love it. I think it is super festive and just like perfect for this season, this time of year, especially here in upstate New York where it's like, okay, it's already snowing. Like, what the heck, bro? Let me know if you have any questions about anything I used. And like I said, if these are still available in Allie's shop, I'll link them. I know for sure that the gratitude quotes are. I'll link Casey's inserts as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and just enjoy the extra days with your family and friends, or just relaxing, whatever it is that you do. Leave a comment down below what your plans are. And I'll see you in the next video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my content. Take care, friends, and remember that you are enough. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm super grateful for you.